The single most important lesson would be to not fret the small stuff, to remember to enjoy life and to just take it one day at a time. I started when I was 24 years old. I was a kid. And I guess when you're a young man trying to establish yourself in your early 20s, in your career and in life, you're always stressed or worried about what the future will bring, or what happened in the past, etc. But I think we tend to just forget to live in the moment and enjoy life. I have a lot of clients, of course, when they're buying a home, that they're so stuck on finding a bigger home. They're upgrading their home, but are they really upgrading their lifestyle? Are they really upgrading their life on a day-to-day basis? And what are those changes like in order to have a better quality of life? So I think that's really probably the most important thing, is just remembering to take it day by day and make the best out of life, because it goes by way too fast.